wonderful, beautiful people. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm so happy and grateful that I get to share this joyous moment with you all. In life, we have to make decisions every day. And only the future will tell if these are the right decisions. Every now and then you make decisions that lead up to very magical moments. And today is one of these videos where I get to share one of my magical moments with you. At the end of last year, I decided I was going to stop trying to chase moments and try and feel them right here, right now. Luckily, I got to park my van in a very beautiful spot in the Netherlands where I'm allowed to stay for a little while. And I'm just taking a breather and trying to figure everything out from here out. Slow, gentle mornings where I check in with my body and nourish myself are part of my new routine. And one of my favorite things, I get to walk in the beautiful woods in the Netherlands every day and recharge my battery to have energy for the day to come. It's so bonkers. Every day we wake up, it's more beautiful. This is very unusual for the Netherlands to have snow and then it keeps freezing and then snow keeps coming. So the landscape keeps changing every day because of the frost on the trees, and the sunrise is now making mist. Like, what is happening? It's like I'm in Sweden or maybe Winterberg. But it's so beautiful. Every morning I wake up and I'm like, oh my god, it's even more beautiful than yesterday. couple of weeks ago I decided that it was okay for me to stay put for a while and not be rushing everywhere all the time. And little did I know that this was going to be the reward. Little did I know that this weather was on its way. I was prepared to be like gloomy, grey, just uncomfortably wet weather. That was just what I was thinking was gonna be. I didn't know that making the choice to stay here was going to lead to this beauty. Do you ever just wake up one morning and then you're so thankful that past decisions led up to this moment? I can't believe it. I'm just like lost for words. Like, I can't believe I'm actually here. I can't believe that I'm actually in this winter wonderland. That all my past actions have led me here. This is amazing.
I'd recently discovered that you can clean your sheepskins with fresh snow. So now that we had this snow laying around, I decided to try it out. So I just put some snow on there, let it lay there for a little while, and then shake it off. And it was super satisfying to see how much grime and stuff came out of these rugs. Oh, your eye's coming out. Your chin, your eye. Stay in there. Oh. No! No. Okay, fill his face back up. Go in there. Okay. I don't have any carrots. So, he's got an onion for a nose. Yes, I don't have any carrots. Ooh, I was just thinking, having an onion for a nose has to be so smelly. Ugh. Stay in there. Okay. Okay. Stay. Okay. Okay, so this is like
face keeps breaking. This is snow, crappy snow. It's not really the right snow, I think. It's getting a brown face. I'm smudging you. Okay, so this is your nose. And then this is your face. Okay. And then the shape of your head. Like, no, don't break. This entire face is breaking. Okay, let's go. The shape is more like this. Got to hold some memory, Olaf. Okay. Samantha. Okay. Okay, this is more Olaf-like. You have like a superhero chin. Okay. Okay. Like this. There's a part in the process where he looks like the dude from Saw. It's like a thin line between Olaf and the scary, creepy fella. Okay, let's try again. Oh, he looks sad now. Oh, okay. It's getting worse. He's looking sad. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to make you sad. Okay, let's go. So this is like... Okay, so this might somehow work. Shape of the face. Does he need to have a longer face? Look at this fat chin. Okay, let's see. He's got little teeth. And they are somewhere under the nose. So they're like here. Okay, are you happy? This is so creepy. Oh, okay. The big one. Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's make him look super happy. Okay. That's huge. Hoppa. Okay. This is so difficult. Getting his expression right. That's really difficult. Okay. It's a little bit too thick. Aha! I broke his teeth. Ah. Okay, well this is my second Olaf creation. High five, Olaf. High five. So I just tried making another Olaf. Yeah, he's not quite right. I need to figure out how to make it better, but that's my Olaf for now. But a huge tree just broke over there. What is going on is that usually I sleep in the woods. Right now my car is parked right outside his house because these trees, they get so much snow, and in the Netherlands we're not really used to this much snow. So we get so much snow that the trees just completely break. Whole big ass branches are coming down. So I just cleared the road so I could go out tomorrow, but I just heard another one break. So we need to go check, but also we need to be careful that we don't get anything on our head. So let's come with me and move it out of the way. Okay, let's go see where it is. So I don't know what these trees are called, but they are trees with needles. What's the word? Dutch word is loofboom and naaldboom. I don't even know what the English word is. So I just moved big ass branches out of the way, but a new one broke over there. Oh, maybe it's... Oh, I don't think it's on the road. I think it's just in the woods. Like, this is the path that I can drive on with my van. And I just got these out of the way. Because that tree, that one, just 4 branches broke off. Just completely. I think one of the top ones broke. And then it fell onto the bottom ones. Which is why all of them came down. I didn't hear it. I also moved some snow out of the way. So that birds can... Do you see that? Scatter. Let's see. No, it's not here. Oh, it's over there. Look, let me show you. Normally, I sleep. My van is parked over there. We call that the camping. That's my own private spot. It has its own exit. It has its own its own access in the back, or exit. But there's these trees, and yeah, those trees are not really safe. Oh, I'm standing all under them. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. This is like when you don't really realize about all the danger that's up ahead. Oh yeah, I just want to show you guys. It's over here. That complete thing came down from up there. So let's not stay under the trees. But yeah, that's why I'm parked close to his house, because there's less trees that can break. It's just these big ass... There's so much snow, so there's so much weight on there. And then they just completely break off. It's beautiful. It's so funny because I love this weather. But I need to go get gas. In 2 days it's gonna be above 0 degrees. So just keeping an eye out. So then I'm gonna get gas because the diesel heater is on all day. And then at night I turn it off, and then in the morning I turn it on again. But it's, yeah, I'm going through my gas. So I need to go get some. But this is not really the weather that I would normally go and drive in if I don't have to. Oh, so the branch is huge. So, like, I don't know what they're called. But what has happened is that the other day, also some of the branches, well, 2 I think, broke. 2 branches. What is happening today is that more snow is falling, so that the weight is getting added and added and added. But now there's wind. So, they're just trying to survive. I don't know if I can show you some of the trees that I'm keeping an eye on, because I don't know if you can see this. But like over there, right at my finger, that tree. Can you see it? That tree? That tree is hanging over, tipping over. So that's also adding. There's also one in the back, but those are not falling on a path or anything. There's no buildings that they can fall on. But it's just bonkers that they can't hold the weight. The extra weight of the snow and then the wind, they just can't hold it. So they're snapping. The good thing is that it's snowing and they start bending and then the snow falls off. But yeah, they're all moving and they're struggling. Some of them are like collapsing. But anyway, I walk my dogs here and I was just walking them and I thought, maybe just not go in here anymore. If one of these branches falls on them, I would be devastated. But also, I don't know if they can get out of the way fast enough. Yeah, these trees, I don't know what they're called. This one is also, but this one is always leaning over. But now it has more weight. I'm going to show you. This one is one that I do sleep under. I don't even know if that's safe. This one. That one. Look how much that's bending. And yeah, they're just not really... I don't know. Normally I'm not that worried. They can go... They've been living with wind and storms and stuff. But now there's just extra weight added. And they're just snapping. Like little twigs. And their branches are like 20 centimeters... Can't talk. 20 centimeters in diameter. That's what I was trying to say. 20 centimeters in diameter. Yeah, but anyway. It's a winter wonderland. And that's another Olaf.
The last Olaf that we made looked better, like Olaf. But I can take his head off later, another day, and then try again. I don't know. Somehow it looks like an Olaf that's going like this. I don't know, it's not really an Olaf. Anyway, too cold now. Let's go inside. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you'd like to support our journey, I would love to invite you to the campfire via my channel membership. Your support is deeply appreciated and helps us keep creating cozy, meaningful content together. I will see you in the next one. And in the meantime, don't forget to say yes to new Avengers.